If you want to hide files on OPPO Reno 15, you can simply use the private safe. In order to find the private safe, you can, for example, go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Security and Privacy. And then in here, if you scroll down, you can find the private safe in this place. You can also find the private safe by going to My Files app instead. And then in here, if you scroll down in the Files category, then we can find the private safe in this place. So to create the private safe, we need to first have the privacy password. So we can tap on Set Password. And then we can also choose the password type that you want to use for that private safe. Not only that, it is generally speaking a privacy password that is used for all different special features such as the app lock, hidden apps, and so on and so forth, and also of course the private safe. Once we create the password, you can also use your OPPO account so that you can use your OPPO account to recover the password in case you forget it. But you don't have to do so, you don't have to use it necessarily. You can also use a recovery email instead, or the security question. In my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple security question, and then we have our private safe. You can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and open Settings in order to, let's say, create the home screen icon so that you can access private safe in a much easier way. If you go into any of these categories, then you can also find the Add option at the bottom of the screen, so you can choose whatever you want to hide. Also, if we go back to the My Files app, then over here you can choose whatever you want to hide as well. If it's like a photo or a video, then you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you have the lock option. Also, you can just press and hold your finger in order to select multiple files at once. Tap on More in the bottom right corner now, and then we have the lock option as well. And that is pretty much it. So let me actually hide these photos as an example. There we go. We are locking. We can also lock, let's say, APK files. Let's say I have some APK files in here. Let me actually lock this as well, because why not? And once it is moved to the private safe, we should be able to go back to the private safe. There we go. Let's enter the password. And now, as you can see, if I go to other files, I have my APK file. If I go to images and videos, I have all my images in here. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.